Welcome to Learn About Astronomy, and this is the night sky for Monday, April 14, 2014. Now, this is a big evening. Big evening because the full moon is actually going to be eclipsed in our night sky. In the Americas, pretty much everyone has a good spot for watching the full eclipse of the moon. So I'll give you details in a separate video, so why not take a peek at that on my channel if you want to have all the details on what time you will be able to see the eclipse. It's pretty late in the night, so it's if you really want to see it, you'll have to stay up through the night to watch it, but it's always worth it. It's always very beautiful to see. So as the sun sets on Monday night, the April 14th, we have a full moon to the east, rising just below Mars. So that's kind of nice. You'll have Jupiter shining brightly, very high in the sky on the southwest. And as the night goes on, well, take a peek at the moon, because as the night goes on, the moon will, of course, have an eclipse. To give you rapid details of it, the eclipse, the penumbral eclipse, which means that it's when the moon starts getting into the fade-in of our atmosphere, will occur sometime around 1:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So that's for the east coast of North America. Of course, you can subtract time depending on where you are. If you're in the west coast of North America, what's cool is that you are going to see an eclipse much earlier than us here in the east coast. So around 1:20 a.m., the moon is getting into the shadow of our atmosphere. And as the night goes on, you'll be in full eclipse. So take a look at our video. We'll have a separate video for that eclipse night. You should have total eclipse begin in the east coast at around 3:07 a.m. and will last until 4:25 a.m. So if you're an early riser, for example, take a peek at the moon in your southwest sky very early on Monday, on the 15th, Tuesday morning, because you will of course be spotting a eclipsed moon, and it's always very nice. And of course, then we have Venus will be rising, and for those in the east coast, the moon will set in penumbral eclipse, or maybe a partial eclipse, but more like a penumbral eclipse before sunrise. And if you're in the west coast, well, of course, penumbral eclipse, the total end of the eclipse is around 3:10 a.m. So it's going to be an all-nighter for much of North America for this eclipse on that evening. So take a peek at the night sky for Monday, April 14, 2014. Great night for a total eclipse of the moon. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, let us know. Maybe you have suggestions, always welcome. And hopefully you're learning more and more on astronomy thanks to our channel. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.